Question 1. Which among the following articles was adopted by the Constituent Assembly with slogans of Mahatma Gandhi Ki Jaya? Correct answer is D. Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Question 2. POCSO stands for. Correct answer is A. Protection of children from sexual offences. Question 3. Which city became the first India's wetland city? Correct answer is A. Udaipur. Question 4. The song Jana Gana Mana composed by Rabindranath Tagore was first published in January 1912 under the title of. Correct answer is C. Bharat Vidhata. And it was translated into English in 1919 with the title Morning Song of India. Question 5. How many languages are recognized as scheduled languages by the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is A. 22. Question 6. National Voters' Day is celebrated annually in India on the 25th of January to mark the foundation day of. Correct answer is A. Election Commission of India. Question 7. How many seats are there for the Lok Sabha in the new Parliament House? Correct answer is A. 888 seats. Question 8. Bharat Ratna was first awarded in. Correct answer is C. 1954. Bharat Ratna was first awarded in 1954 to 3 people. C. Rajagopalachari, S. Radhakrishnan, and C. V. Raman. Question 9. What is the primary aim of Jal Jeevan Mission? Correct answer is B. Supply 55 liters per capita water per day. Question 10. What is the maximum age for joining National Pension Scheme? Correct answer is A. 70 years. Question 11. Which is the first space-based Indian mission to study the Sun? Correct answer is C. Aditya L1. Question 12. What was the population density of India according to the 2011 census? Correct answer is A. 382 per square km. Question 13. Which company launched the AI assistant chatbot, Rufus, in India? Correct answer is B. Amazon. Question 14. First metro train was started in which city of India? Correct answer is C. Kolkata. The first metro train in India started in Kolkata on October 24, 1984. Question 15. Who composed the song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara? Correct answer is A. Muhammad Iqbal. Question 16. In which year, Hindi names, Rajya Sabha, and Lok Sabha, were adopted for the Council of States and the House of People respectively? Correct answer is C. 1954. Question 17. The second largest freshwater lake of Asia is? Correct answer is B. Bula Lake. It is the largest freshwater lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Question 18. Which of the following constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 in India? Correct answer is D. 61st Amendment. Question 19. Who is the chairperson of 16th Finance Commission of India? Correct answer is A. Arvind Panagaria. Question 20. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is C. Sukumar Sen. Question 21. Who said that India's soul lives in villages? Correct answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 22. Which of the following courts in India are known as the courts of records? Correct answer is C. The High Courts and Supreme Court. Question 23. When was the Right to Information enacted in India? Correct answer is C. The 15th of June 2005. Question 24. Which has become the first state in India to bring Right to Health Bill? Correct answer is D. Rajasthan. Question 25. Every year International Yoga Day is celebrated on. Correct answer is C. The 21st of June. Question 26. The poverty level in India is established on the basis of. Correct answer is D. Household consumer expenditure. Question 27. Which was the first state in India that was formed on linguistic basis? Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. It was formed on October 1, 1953. Question 28. Highest peak in South India is. Correct answer is Anamudi. It is the highest peak in South India, at an elevation of 2,695 meters. Question 29. What is the national motto of India? Correct answer is C. Satyamev Jayate, which is a Sanskrit phrase that means, truth alone triumphs. Question 30. Who among the following is called the father of nationalism in India? Correct answer is C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was also called as the father of the Indian Renaissance and the prophet of Indian nationalism. Question 31. Green color in Indian national flag signifies. Correct answer is C. Relation to soil and prosperity. Saffron stands for courage. White stands for truth and purity. Question 32. Which state is known as Heart of India? Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 33. The first printing press in India was set up by the Portuguese at. Correct answer is D. Goa. Question 34. In India, National Education Day is celebrated every year on. Correct answer is B. November 11th. India celebrates November 11th as National Education Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of the country. Question 35. Which of the following is the capital of Nagaland? Correct answer is A. Kohama. Question 36. The McMahon line is a border line between underscore. Correct answer is B. India and China.